So this video, we're going to talk about the square body vent handles, or latch, whatever you want to call it. So if your vent handle does this, and looks like that, with a big space in there where that wavy washer is, it's because you're missing a part. Now we have 3 trucks here, 6 doors between them, plus a spare door. So here's what your stuff looks like apart. You got the stud with the seal. That goes through your glass, your dirty glass. Like that. Then what you're missing is this. You're missing this washer. So this washer goes on next. Then you put the cylinder on and you screw it down. That's a T30 Torx. And then you take this wavy washer. It's actually a spring. And that goes on there. And this is a washer I designed. This black plastic washer, I designed it and printed it. So it has a very slight lip recess to hold that wavy washer centered. And then you would put your coil spring on there, and then your button goes on here, and then you're going to put your handle back on here. And with this in place, there's no more of this crap, no more of the whole thing rotating in the glass where the button is completely useless. So when I took this window apart out of another door today, it actually somehow had the plastic thing in. But this is what happens when you disassemble it. The plastic is destroyed from 40 years of UV sunlight, so it literally crumbles when you take the pressure off of it. And that was obviously in a door that the window had not gotten used, or it was barely used, because the rotation of stuff here, once this is brittle and crumbling and falling apart, it just falls out of the door. And then you have what I first showed you. So here's one that's done. So this is one we just put all new seal in, and you can see the wavy washer. You can see the plastic washer I made, and doesn't turn. You got to push the button. So, and there it is. Now it's locked like it's supposed to be. So that fixes the problem. It also fixes you needing to put quarters or washers or whatever behind this to hold this window shut. Yes, this gasket does you bad, but if this gasket's not dry rotted and cracked and hard as a rock, and your handle's all wobbly like the first one I showed you, you're missing that washer. Now you can buy that washer, LMC and Brothers and Classic Industries, they sell that washer. I looked it up. Classic sells it. Get the washer and you get the gasket on the other side. It's $3 for one pair. So if you need to do both sides on your truck, it's $6 plus $16 shipping, which is completely flipping outrageous. For whether you get one plastic washer or you get 2 plastic washers, it's still $16, which is insane. So that's why I designed it and printed it for me. I printed more for the other trucks we have sitting here. So you can probably either message me if you want to buy them, or I'll put a link if I add the print file to my Colts 3D page. All right. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Like and subscribe.